You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Thursday, the 4th of December. This is meteorologist James Spann. The rain so far today, mainly over South Alabama. However, rain is about to move into North Alabama tonight, so everybody will see some rain before it's all over. So let's check the radar, and we are live this afternoon at 3:14. For those watching on the James Spann YouTube channel and Facebook page, many of you watching on the Alabama Weather Network later, thank you, however you watch. And you can see that big, expansive mass of rain over West Tennessee and North Mississippi that is about to creep over into North Alabama. In fact, rain is falling now in Florence and the Shoals. And again, during the bulk of the day today, the bulk of the rain has been down south, but clearly North Alabama, it is becoming your turn. Let's work our way down to the south. In fact, let's go down to the radar at Fort Rucker. And again, you can see that we've got areas of light rain across the southeastern counties of the state this afternoon. Still raining in places like Luverne, Troy, Eufaula. Rain falling at Dothan, Geneva, Atmore, Enterprise. And we'll peek at the southwestern corner of the state. At the moment, there's a break in the rain in Mobile and Baldwin counties. But don't worry, more rain is on the way. That rain over South Mississippi will be moving in pretty soon. So again, most of the state will see rain tonight. Not raining all night, but just a good old-fashioned cold rain. The air is stable. Don't expect any problems with thunder or lightning. Just rain. So let's kind of go through the weekend. A lot of questions about what's going to happen tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday. So again, in the upper air, we have this split flow here. The northern branch with a trough over eastern Canada. The southern branch, very active across the southern states with a series of waves, and with each wave, we see rain. And we are just about totally socked in with clouds. That's the visible satellite view. And there's a few little thin spots in there, but it's pretty cloudy across all of the deep south. And there's the radar composite. This combines all the radars together. And you can see we've got the rain across South Alabama and that new batch of rain about to move into North Alabama. So temperatures are once again way below average. We should be around 60 here in early December. Not even close to that today. Even Gulf Shores, it's only 50 there. Most everybody in the 40s. We'll check the watch warning map. We have winter weather advisories northeast of Alabama, from parts of the Tennessee Cumberland Plateau into parts of much of Virginia, northern North Carolina, parts of Maryland, and winter storm warnings for some of the mountains out west. They're getting some huge snows there. No severe storms anytime soon. There might be some thunder on the Gulf Coast tonight, but that's not really likely. Same thing tomorrow, and pretty much the same thing on Saturday. Maybe a little thunder somewhere, but the air stays cool and stable. There's no concern with any severe storms. So this is the newly updated QPF, the rain for the next 7 days, just in a few minutes ago. Numbers have come down a little bit. Of course, we've had a lot of rain today. This is additional rain we see between now and Thursday night of next week. Amounts for South Alabama, 1 to 2 inches. North Alabama, under 1/2 inch. Not much. But the placement is good. That's where the rain is really needed. This is the brand new Drought Monitor. This was released this morning. So that's your Drought Monitor update. And the conditions improved a little bit, but still, we've obviously got a long way to go here. Parts of southeast Alabama and west central Alabama in a D3 extreme drought. The areas in red on that map. But areas south of Interstate 20 with drought conditions. North Alabama doing better. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans. European, 12Z run, 4 o'clock tomorrow. Again, the northern branch delivering the cool air. The southern branch with a series of waves coming in here. This is coming off the European tomorrow afternoon. And I don't think it rains a lot during the day, but no doubt it could rain at times. And the rain is most likely over the southern half of the state. We're expecting a good statewide rain tonight, and that will be ending early tomorrow morning. Clouds will linger, but another wave of rain will likely come in here tomorrow night. This is tomorrow night at 10 o'clock off the high-resolution HER model, showing rain south of Interstate 20. So again, for now, the news is good for the Jacksonville State, Kennesaw State CUSA Championship game tomorrow night in Jacksonville. Clouds, but the chance of rain very small. Not zero, but small. But the better chance of rain, places like Clanton, Demopolis, Montgomery, Alexander City, Auburn, Opelika, and Point South tomorrow night. Otherwise, cloudy, cool, highs upper 40s and low 50s. What about the weekend, you ask? Well, this is Saturday, and again, the better chance of rain, South Alabama. Really south of a line from near Grove Hill to Opelika. North Alabama looks mostly dry Saturday, but cloudy and cool. Highs mostly in the 50s. So this is Sunday. Again, clouds will linger, and there might be a little light rain in spots anywhere in the state, but don't think it rains a lot Sunday. And then Monday, we start to see some sinking air as a trough begins to carve out a little east of us, and that should mean the day will be dry. Not convinced we see a lot of sun, but the day looking dry with highs upper 40s and low 50s. Tuesday should be a sunny day. That's when the sun breaks out in full force. Tuesday morning will be cold, many spots below freezing, 20s and low 30s, mid-30s for extreme South Alabama. The high Tuesday will be in the 50s. Wednesday looks like a sunny day. The high Wednesday will be in the 50s, maybe low 60s in South Alabama. And a week from today, Thursday, December 11th, the trough sharpening up over the eastern states, and a front will be pushing through. Now, this particular run of the European shows that there's not enough moisture for rain. Other runs have shown a few showers Thursday with a front coming in here, but this run says, you can't squeeze blood out of a turnip. So it's dry. We'll mention maybe a few spotty showers on Thursday, but certainly not a big rain event. And then we'll keep going. This is 10 days out. Sunday, December 14th, the flow goes zonal, and we are still dry with a chance of some light rain north of here. So at this point, most of next week looking dry, with temperatures still on the cool side, highs in the 40s and 50s. Here's a look at rain for the next 15 days. And again, this is kind of for the central part of the state. This is between now and the 19th of December. The mean is between 1 and 2 inches. If you're in South Alabama, a little higher, Tennessee Valley, a little lower. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Highs 40s and 50s, lows 20s and 30s for the next 10 days. Pretty cool. And just in, the latest long-range guidance, 8 to 14 days out, December 12th through December 18th. Temperatures near, maybe slightly above average. But it looks pretty cold up north and up in the northeast. Temperatures above average back in the southwest United States. But you know what we do right now? We roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. On the road today, North Dallas County, Valley Grand Elementary School, 5th graders. And, ooh, man, my lucky day. Oh, that's outstanding. That's some banana pudding. Let me tell you what, that's killer. That's good stuff. But let me tell you what, 5th graders, they're great. They can really soak up the science. Did some storm spotting. We need more storm spotters there. They've had some pretty rough tornadoes in that part of Dallas County in recent years. Talked about forecasting, hurricanes, winter storms, and much more. So again, to all these amazing 5th graders at Valley Grand Elementary School in Dallas County, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know, you guys are looking good. So again, we're live here at 322, and you can see one batch of rain moving out of Mobile and Baldwin counties, another batch about to move in. So the breaks in the rain for South Alabama just have not lasted that long. Let's check the southeastern corner of the state. And again, we've got rain falling at Houston County, Geneva County. We got rain over Pike, Barber counties in southeast Alabama. And again, North Alabama is pretty much missed out on the rain here, but hang on, we've got this big mass of rain about to move in from northern Mississippi. And that will be scooting across the northern counties of the state tonight. But this big statewide rain should end pretty early in the day tomorrow, and a decent part of the day tomorrow should be dry. But more rain for South Alabama tomorrow night into Saturday. All right, so tonight I'm going to be at Freedom Farm doing a big fundraiser for that great ministry in Tuscaloosa County at Coker. Tomorrow morning going to be in Moulton, Lawrence County, Signature School. And then after that, I'll be speaking to a big group of teachers, the Drummond Heart of Education Award winners, Teachers of the Month for the last year. Love to encourage teachers. We have a luncheon every year for them and get a chance to share just some encouraging words. Everybody needs a good word from time to time, and we're so thankful for those teachers. Don't forget you can watch me this evening on ABC 3340 News. And every day you can hear me on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham. Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Thursday evening, and God bless.